Breaking down, break the unity, understanding English phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the intriguing English phrase, break the unity. This expression might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. So, let's explore and demystify its usage and meaning together. Break the unity is a phrase that implies disrupting harmony or creating division within a previously unified group. It's often used in contexts where a cohesive group or entity is fragmented by actions, decisions, or events. Example: when a new policy was introduced in the club, it broke the unity among members, leading to heated debates. While the exact origins of this phrase are unclear, its usage is widespread in various contexts, including politics, social groups, and organizations. It's a versatile phrase that adds depth to discussions about conflict, disagreement, or discord. Example: the CEO's unilateral decisions began to break the unity within the management team. Understanding synonyms can broaden your understanding of break the unity. Some related phrases include disrupt the harmony, create division, cause a rift, sow discord. Each of these alternatives offers a slightly different nuance but revolves around the central theme of creating disunity. In real-life conversations, this phrase is handy when discussing situations where group cohesion is at stake. It's a powerful expression to describe the impact of actions or decisions on a group's unity. Example: the new rule about work hours started to break the unity among the employees, as they felt their preferences were ignored. That's a wrap on Break the Unity. Remember, language is more than just words. It's about the context and nuances they bring to our conversations. We hope this video has been insightful and added a new phrase to your English toolkit. Keep exploring and happy learning!